AI has moved well beyond buzzwords and experimentation. Today, business leaders are under pressure to deliver real outcomes from their AI investments. But while interest in AI is high, execution remains a major challenge for many organizations. Hello, I'm Jon Alba from the Channel Company, and today I'm joined by David Kunttu, Workstation Portfolio Manager at Lenovo. And we're going to talk about the real problems that business leaders are trying to solve with AI, where many AI initiatives tend to stall, and how Lenovo is helping customers and channel partners move from ideas to impact with confidence. David, how are you?
I'm doing great. Happy to be here.
I'm excited to have you here. I want to jump right into it. Why don't we? So, when you talk to business leaders today, David, what are the core problems they're actually trying to solve with AI beyond the hype?
A big focus right now seems to be on productivity, kind of a low hanging fruit for AI to solve. Leaders want to reduce the time that their people spend on busy work. Simply, they want to empower their teams to do bigger and better things with their time. So they're thinking about decision velocity. We want AI to help us spend less time getting those inputs, make decisions faster, and then do it with confidence that the right information was used from a trusted source. So in theory, when those teams move faster, you get to the outcome sooner. So leaders should aim for agility across the business, not just setting up a team of AI people in one corner working in a silo, but affecting and impacting productivity across the entire business in different functions horizontally.
Now, needless to say, many organizations start AI initiatives with a lot of enthusiasm, right? But not all of them actually make it to production. So, where do most AI projects stall, and how does Lenovo then help customers overcome these roadblocks?
Yeah, it's an exciting time. There are a lot of really impressive AI demos out there. The tricky part is turning that cool demo into a structured path for real implementation and having clear success criteria. So most of these projects are going to stall between that handoff business and IT. Who's going to own it? How are you going to roll it out? How are you measuring success? And importantly, how are you going to keep it secure? All of that governance is really important. So we help customers with an enterprise AI journey. It's practical and scalable. You start small, you prove out value quickly, and then you can scale incrementally with clear next steps as your needs change. We align that journey to the right tools at each stage, starting with everyday productivity devices like our newly announced ThinkPad P14s Gen 7, and expanding upward to infrastructure for more power and a broader deployment.
So, if a company is launching an AI initiative, what does early success really look like? Specifically, when should leaders expect to see any progress within the first 30 days of a successful project?
Well, a lot can happen in 30 days, more than you would think. So leaders should expect a usable pilot on real trusted data. So not just a slide deck proposal, something that business users can try themselves and react to and give feedback on. This can happen on a ThinkPad or a tiny desktop workstation. And they also need to start thinking about, by the end of that month, a baseline for return on investment. Where specifically is time going to be saved? What does a good enough solution look like? And what kind of guardrails need to be in place to make sure everything's done securely? By the end of the month, it's not unreasonable to have a clear decision point. Customers should think, are we ready to move or to scale? Do we need to adjust our approach? Or was this a learning experience and we should pivot direction entirely? This makes sure that you keep momentum high and avoids wasting time and money with runaway projects.
Okay, so let's talk about the partner opportunity then. What's in it for channel partners when it comes to AI? How can they actually get started and then sell with confidence alongside Lenovo?
Yeah, for our partners, AI offers a services multiplier opportunity. So you think about assessments, pilots, the rollout, and then ongoing optimization of that solution. This can become a repeatable packaged offer. So getting started, it's relatively simple. You pick a one high value workflow in one team, and then you run that structured 30-day pilot with clear outcomes. If you lead with business value, things like faster proposals, quicker support resolution, better access to institutional knowledge, or just more consistent execution, that's where you want to lead instead of with specific products. Lenovo helps partners sell with confidence by providing that clear journey for enterprise AI, proven device options at each stage of the way. And then we also provide partner ready enablement that takes you from that first demo to a broader deployment.
David, really appreciate all your insight here. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you to everyone at home for tuning in as well. You can find more about Lenovo's partner offerings at the web address on your screen or by contacting your channel account manager. Have a great day.